60 miles away, in the heart of the desert, sandgrouse chicks are hatching. It's safer for them to be here. But being so distant from water is a gamble. With only their mother to shield them from the sun, if they get nothing to drink, they will be dead within hours. Their only hope is their father. Every morning he makes the 120-mile round trip to get water for the family. Grouse from all over the desert visit this oasis, arriving together in large flocks, and that is important. There's safety in numbers. The male snatches a drink, but he also needs to collect water for his chicks. Using specially adapted breast feathers, he can soak up water like a sponge. But it takes time, and he is in danger. Goshawk. Sandgrouse here are their main prey. Again and again, the male sandgrouse risk their lives in order to collect water for their chicks. This is why sandgrouse nest so far from waterholes. At last, he's soaked up as much as he can. Carrying a quarter of his body weight in water, he can now set off on the long journey home. He's back, and just in time. He can give the chicks their first ever drink. But he will have to undertake this perilous journey every day for the next 2 months, until his chicks can finally make the flight to the waterhole for themselves.